What if I told you? Wealth isn't about how hard you work, but about what you know. It's the right information that opens doors to opportunities, paving your way to financial freedom. But how can the right information change your life? Let me tell you a story. Back in the 1970s, there were whispers of something revolutionary: personal computing. Only a few people had the right information, and fewer still understood its potential. People like Bill Gates and Steve Jobs weren't just lucky. They knew what was coming, and they acted. Their knowledge of an emerging industry turned into multi-billion-dollar fortunes. It wasn't just hard work, they had the right information before anyone else. The same happened in the world of cryptocurrency. In 2010, a little-known digital currency called Bitcoin was worth less than $1. It seemed like a strange concept, but for those who took the time to understand the blockchain and believed in its potential, that information made them millionaires. Knowing about a groundbreaking technology early on can make all the difference. So why don't more people become rich from information? It's simple. Most people miss it. We live in a world where we're bombarded with distractions, from social media to news that doesn't matter. The right information is out there, but it requires a focus on learning, exploring, and discovering what really matters. It's about paying attention to the trends that others are too distracted to notice. So, how do you find the right information? You need to make it your mission to seek knowledge. Read the books no one else is reading, attend seminars, surround yourself with people who are more knowledgeable than you. Whether it's in finance, technology, or personal growth, there's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for those who are hungry to learn. Those who get rich don't stumble upon it, they invest time in seeking the right knowledge. At the end of the day, the key to wealth is simple. It's about access to the right information at the right time. The world's wealthiest people didn't get there by accident. They had the foresight to seek out valuable knowledge and turn that information into action. So, what will you do with the knowledge you have? The right information can make you rich, if you're ready to use it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want more content that could shape your future, hit the subscribe button and share this video. Remember, the right information can make you rich.